Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Hey, hit the like, subscribe, notification bell, and all if you're new, all right? And if you have been watching, you know already, hit the like button, okay? So we're gonna just keep it going. Usually on Sunday, I'm in Studio C, which is the car, but I'm back here. I was away. I'll talk about that a little later. Hey, firstly, listen. Go ahead and get up to 16 free stock by, this will be the third link below. Come and join Moo, get the free stuff with just $100 deposit. You're going to get 5 free stock plus now 1 free share of SoFi, right? So let's go. Let's get that free stuff, all right? So also too, we'll talk a little later about that. Let's go right into it. Let's do a recap. I'm going to, if you see me squinting, I'm going to try to do this whole thing without glasses. All right. So we had Netflix and Tesla. All right. That reported last week. Okay. And then we're going to get to what is coming next week. So I want you guys to be ready. What's coming next week or this coming week. All right. What's coming for this coming week. We want you guys to be prepared, not scared. We want you to look for opportunity, right? And if you don't see any opportunity, then we want you guys to not have FOMO and not lose money. Let's get right into it. Let's look at what happened to Tesla, right? What is this that I'm looking at? It's Tesla. All right, let's go right into it. I don't have my glasses. Good people, let's look. So we saw what happened to Tesla, right? Tesla just kind of started, ran up, right? And then ramped all the way down, losing about 3.5%. So that was a lot. A lot of people panicked. A lot of people tapped out. Then it ran back up, right? And then we wound up around the 212, right? So it broke through support. Support actually was, one level of support was actually around 214-ish. Then it broke under that, right? So now, let's look. I took a picture of my phone. This, if you're interested in this is Webull. This is the Webull chart. And it is the fourth link below if you want to follow that. They just upgraded it, so it's really good. All right, so as we could see, it actually touched, it broke beneath 214, and it actually touched 210, right? And then as you could see, there's a double bottom there when it hit 210. And then it came right back up to 212 after it broke beneath 214, which freaked a lot of people out. A lot of people just tapped out, had your stop losses set. I had a little play and I did the same thing. Stop losses triggered, right? And so it was really kind of scary for Tesla. Now, for those of you that know about PE ratios and what a stock is worth or if it's overvalued, you will see that in scary times like this is when the principal call stocks like this to the office and say, show me what you're worth, right? And Tesla is kind of suffering from that. Could Tesla continue to fall? Yes. If Tesla breaks beneath 210, it's going to become a falling knife. I don't know where it is. I'm not the expert charter like some of these guys are. So maybe we'll have one of these guys come on and talk further about Tesla. Now that it's come back to 212, I just believe that there is a chance for us to rebound and run back up. How high? I don't know. But I do believe that we could go as far, back up to the 230s with Tesla. I believe it could do a reversal and come back. It all depends on how the markets are on Monday. So you keep an eye out for it. Remember, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. But Elon Musk was sounding very, very, very subdued on the earnings call. And he said, listen, even with the Cybertruck, you need to be patient. He literally said, lower your expectations. The truck may not even be profitable for 12 to 18 months. And Elon's terms, that means about 2 years before the truck becomes profitable. All right. So let's just watch, keep an eye on it. Don't have FOMO. Be careful on those options because you can lose a lot of money. All right, let's go and see what else is happening. Nearly a third of the S&P companies are scheduled to report this coming week. Nearly a third of the S&P, all right? So we got Microsoft and Google, aka Alphabet, right? Microsoft and Google, aka Alphabet, will be reporting on Tuesday. Okay, so Microsoft and Google will be reporting on Tuesday, followed by Meta, aka Facebook. All right, will be reporting on Wednesday, and then Amazon will be reporting on Thursday. All right, let's go over that again. Nearly a third of the S&P 500. So big tech will be reporting. This is going to be an interesting week. We got Microsoft and Google that will be reporting on Tuesday, followed by Meta, all right, Wednesday, and then Amazon on Thursday. So let's look and see if I got to do this. I try to do it. These are not my regular glasses. I don't like the blue blockers. All right, let's go right into it. So let's see what the market has been showing us. The market has been showing us really it's been a downtrend, good people. You see this? I got Microsoft and Alphabet here, all right? And so Microsoft and Google, you could see that it has been coming down. You had some spikes down and back up, but overall it's been coming down this week, right? Then we have Meta and Amazon, as you could see, almost lockstep, the same deal, same dip because of the market, right? Just down, down, down. And so I'm going to suggest for those of you that are new, when you see a trend like this, don't just focus in on your one stock or the one play that you're in. Also look at what's happening with the overall market. Is it just your Amazon play, or is it all of big tech doing the same thing? Is it cooling off, right? And so we got some scary things going on, gold spiking up. We don't know what's happening with oil due to the geopolitical situation. And then we got to keep an eye on bonds. We know what's happening with the yields, all right? The yields are spiking. So all of those are a sign of a scared economy, a scared market, right? And then we had the Feds talking the other day. So big tech is where the opportunity is. If you have the skills to do options, you could short. As you could see here, I just want you to see. You guys know that I buy the rumor, sell the news, meaning that I'm not holding any of these plays, Meta, Amazon, Microsoft, or Alphabet. I'm just going to follow the trend and see if I could see where to do a put on any of these companies if they continue to fall. And I'm going to be looking I'm really going to be paying attention Monday to see if I can get in and out of Microsoft and Alphabet because they report on Tuesday after closing bell. So if I get in a position, it'll be Monday and I'll be out before closing bell on Tuesday if it continues to run down. If not, I won't enter into those plays. Okay. So let's see. What do we have here? We are at almost 9 minutes. Listen, you guys know I always do an inspirational message, right? Let's go right here. Because I know this is a choppy market and a lot of people, some people probably lost a lot of money. My inspirational is going to deal with stocks, but you can actually take this with a grain of salt in every aspect of your life. And I'm going to make this short and to the point. Remember, the lessons are in the losses. I've said that before. The lessons are in the losses. It's not in the wins. And for those of you that are trading, not just investing, but trading, just remember your wins. There's really no lessons in those. You win, a lot of times it's just pure luck. And yes, sometimes it's you doing the right thing, but the true lessons are in the losses. And in most of my losses personally, I could tell you it is something I did not do. I did not follow my disciplines, or I went in with more money than I should have, right? And that's why I say the lessons that are in the losses. Even for those of us that's been divorced, right? I've been divorced before, married and divorced. My lessons were in the losses, not just, oh, she was wrong, she was wrong. I tend to also think about what I could have did better in the relationship. So you gotta be truthful with yourself if you truly, truly, truly want to grow. Let's go back to stocks. Listen, if you are dealing with 10 different stocks and 10 different plays, right? And you win 5 of those plays or 7 of those plays, do not take your money from those 7 plays that you won and put it all into something you think is going to go your way. That means that you're undisciplined. I still have FOMO, but I try not to act on them. So if you've been losing money, I guarantee you, if you just stop trading, go back and see where the mistakes was, you can clearly see you did something you should not have done. You didn't do your due diligence. You heard somebody say something and you ran and bought on that, or you panic sold on something you heard, when a lot of times if you just take a minute and go back and research, you will find that you should not have entered into that play. So I just want to tell you guys that the lessons are in the losses. Even in life, sometimes even when bad things happen to you, there's a lot of lessons. My biggest lessons were when I was at my lowest. And so that's a whole nother video I'm going to do. You know what? I'm going to take some time later on and just talk about the lessons I've learned in my losses. And my losses were many and they were big, right? All right. So I'm going to leave it right there. You guys know I love you guys, but I want you to truly, truly, truly go back and research that. And for those of you that are looking to be a better trader and you just jumped into the market and you really didn't understand this market that you're in, this will be the top link below. Stock Up You. Come and learn. I was just with my guy here, Stock Curry. Come and learn from myself. Stocks with Josh, Keenan Grace, and Mommy Trader. And that will be the top link below. Stock Up You. That class will be going to its full price soon, right? This year. Okay. So I'm going to leave it right there, good people. Make sure you leave me a comment what you think is going to happen with earnings this coming week, starting tomorrow, Monday, right? Hey, I'm going to be at the Earn Your Leisure. They're here in the Chicagoland area. I'm going to go hang out with those guys. If you are attending, make sure you come up and say hello to your boy. I love to meet you guys. All right. We'll see you later. Love, laugh, and learn.